Okay, so finally, it has started working. So guys, please, I'm so sorry for coming in late. I have a little bit challenging with my internet. Please, I'm so sorry to have wait, keep you guys waiting. So let's do it again today. You know, you guys know how we do it last week. You understand, on Sunday precisely. So maybe you have seen the title of the program for today. So please, once again, I'm so sorry for starting a bit late. You understand? So, in case you are joining me, the program is always open for anybody to call in and share his own point of view. You understand? Today's topic is, why do people cheat in relationship and marriages? You understand? So I'll still apologize for coming in late today. It's not my fault. It's some technical issues based on my internet. So I'm so sorry for that. No, please, Miss Grace, don't be angry with me, please. I'm so sorry. It's my internet, okay? I'm so sorry for coming in late. I beg, go, may I no verse. My is broken, speak this way, but may I no verse, I come in late. Now my internet, where I get my subscription finished, so I have to go and find where I will make sure so I didn't fail my promise to you guys. I'm so sorry, Miss Grace. Please forgive me. I cross my heart. By sheer grace of God, it won't happen again. Okay? It not going to happen again. I beg no verse. So please keep on sharing the program and invite your friends. Tell them that we have already started. I'm so sorry for starting it a bit late. Please. I'm so sorry. I don't know how to apologize to you guys, but please, you guys should forgive me. Please, you guys should just have mercy on me for starting a bit late today. It's beyond my control, but I have finally fixed it up. So I just pray that it won't disconnect and it won't have any problem, because my subscription, I do subscribe for doing this program, so I don't know. So please don't be offended. Okay, Osas Obio say, what is the topic? Okay, the topic is, why do people cheat in relationship? Okay, thank you, Selena Jane Franco. Thank you for forgiving me. Okay, apology accepted. So, like where we do, like the way we do it in the program is, you comment. If you cannot comment, you can call in for the program. Then you contribute through calling. You understand? So the question is, thank you very much for forgiving me. Please, Eddie, please. I'm so sorry. Please, now forgive me now, please. Please, I'm begging, please. Okay. The topic is, it still remains, why do people cheat in relationship? Both not only in relationship, but in marriage. Is it because of sex or is it because of money? Please, I want to hear your own point of view. Like, our program is, let's educate each other. Nobody knows it all, understand? Please. So send me your own point of view. Then you know how we normally do it. You call in for the program and introduce yourself. Then you tell us where you're calling from and rest of it. So I will start by reading the comment that have already come in. You know, people have been waiting for this program for so long. I'm so sorry that I came in late. So, but let me start from people that have already come in. Said, Miss Grace said, I the verse, please, my sister, no verse for me, I beg, no verse. We already have a caller in the building, but wait, I have to finish up reading this, then I will start accepting calls. Please don't be offended. I will accept your call as soon as possible. Then Miss Grace said, you came late. Yes, I know I came late. It's not my fault because of my internet. I do subscribe for doing this program. Please don't be offended. I don't have internet at home. I pay for subscription. I buy my subscription. So my subscription finished last Sunday when we are discussing. My subscription finished. That's why I ended the video. I ended the program that Sunday. So I thought I could be able to activate it today, but the date they give me to activate has not been exhausted, so I have to wait until on Friday. I have to subscribe on Friday. Please, I promise on Sundays on we will still be going to hold, so I will subscribe on Friday. Please don't be offended. Let me continue. Miss Grace, okay. Miss Grace said okay. Then Desno Sas Bobo said, waiting be the topic. I have already said the topic and I will still repeat it again. Miss Grace said, so what is the topic? Like I said, I've said it, I will still repeat it. Then Edith Trinity said, apology not accepted. Please forgive me and accept my apology. Please, I'm so sorry. Then Edith Trinity said, lose. Miss Grace said, apology accepted. Thank you very much, my sister. Then Trinity, thank you for accepting my apology. Thank you very much. Okay, accepted. Osas OBO, good evening, everyone. Thank you. Welcome to the program. Then Osas, we will eat today. Thank you, Osas. Okay, so now I can start accepting calls. Please, if I didn't accept your call on time, please just make your own contribution and let. So I'm still connecting. I'm still adding the first caller in the building. So please, let's do this today. Wow, wow, wow. My sister, you're highly welcome. This is one of our great contributors from all the way from Spain. I can't hear you, my sister. Can you speak loud so people can hear you? We are not hearing you. We are not hearing you, my sister.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now, please.
First of all, welcome.
You are highly welcome. Yeah, I'm welcoming you too. Welcome to the program. So sorry for coming late.
No problem.
Because
no problem.
I have some issue with my internet. Yeah, thank you
I
very
just
much.
saw the message
So,
now.
like the topic is.
And they say,
Okay.
why
The topic is.
Yeah, I already saw it.
People. Okay. So, what do you have to contribute about the program?
That depends on them.
That's why I said today's program will be very, very hot.
Because you as a married woman or you in a relationship cheating outside or cheating on your spouse, it means there's no it means there's no trust. Because if you trust your man, your boyfriend, or your girlfriend, or your husband, or your wife, you have to create that trust. Because without trust, that relationship can never stand. So there will always be a cheating.
So, but the point is, people that are cheating, are they cheating because of money or because of sex? Their partner don't know how to sex or what? I want to know, in your own point of view.
Okay, I would say cheating because of money. I will not say they are cheating because of money, rather they are cheating because of sex. I won't say so. But I will say maybe because there's no trust and both of them don't think it will work together or it can work for them. So they just have to look for their personal.
Okay, the thing they can. Why did they? Then the point. Why did they end up in marriage? If they know they can't work out the truth of them when they're in a relationship,
that is why I love the comment somebody dropped the other day. Before you go into a relationship, you have to take time to study yourself. Not just go into a relationship or get married because your friends got married or because your friend is into a relationship and you yourself
wow, that's a wonderful contribution.
You want to get married or you want to be in a relationship. No, you have to take time, study yourself, know what are your likes, know what you like the both of them value before going into it. So I would say there's no trust. That is why they are cheating. Because if you have trust for your man and you have trust for your wife or your girlfriend, no matter what you want to do, there's this conscience in you that will always say, no, my man is a very good man. He's very kind to me. He can't do this. Why should I do it? Because there's no trust. So that's my opinion.
Wow, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Gianfranco from all the way from Spain. I give you a wonderful buzzer for contributing earnestly to this program. You've always been a wonderful contributor to this program. Thank you so much. So let's go back to the comment that people are coming in. Then you can still join the program and you hear from other people, okay?
Yeah, I'm into the program. Yeah, that's no problem.
Okay, now. So I will end you now so that I can be able to accept another caller in the building, okay?
All right, no problems.
Okay. Oh yeah. We can still call whenever you have anything to contribute, can contribute and also call in.
Yeah.
The line is always open.
Let me try to share it so my friends can join up.
Can join. Okay, you know how. So let me go back to the comment before I will accept another caller in the building. Then Evans Nice said, "Good evening, everyone. You're welcome, my brother or my sister, rather." Then Miss Grace said, "Because there is no love." Wow. Lovett Johnson said, "Good evening, guys. Yeah, you're welcome to the program." Bros Sobobo Evis Marcos said, "Nice one. Thank you. You're welcome. Then it's Edith Trinity said the both the both parties cheat because there's no love. Wow, that's a wonderful one. And Osas OBO said thank you, thanks guys. So what I'm still saying is that please, let's make this program a very interesting one, because like I said on Sunday, that today topic is going to be a bomb. It's going to be a mind-blowing topic, because if you watch what is really happening in relationship and in marriage, most problem that people have in relationship and marriage is lack of trust, and it will lead to cheating. You understand? So as we likely, like the first caller said, there's no love, and someone else have also commented so and said there's no love in that relationship. That's why that person cheat. Let me see if I can approve another caller in the building, so she can contribute her own part of the program. And wow, Miss Grace,
Ciao.
I have to apologize first of all. I'm so sorry for
No
starting
problem.
the program a
Apology
bit late.
accepted.
Understand? Yeah, my internet got finished on Sunday during that program. That's why, and I have to subscribe on this week Friday. So I just I know how to find my way. That's why I've been able to get internet to come on online, so just to fulfill my promise. So okay, so please don't be offended. Introduce yourself and where you're calling from, so that people can also know that the
My
program
name
has
is
come.
Grace. I'm sister to
Okay.
Cecilia Gianfranco. I'm calling from Italy.
Wow. So you're highly welcome to the program. You both look alike. So what do you have to contribute? Okay, yeah, that's great. So my sister, contribute to the program. What do you have to say?
I have 3 contributions to this program, like seriously.
Wow. So interesting. We are all ears.
The first one, there's no love. Okay. And the second one, if a guy cannot take care of his girlfriend, I know we girls, most of us, majority, if maybe their boyfriend cannot buy their Brazilian hair, he cannot afford money to them, he cannot give them what they want, they cheat. And the third one, if your girl cannot satisfy you in bed, they will say no reason, no need for going along with him. So I guess those are the 3 things why they are cheating in relationship.
Wow. Well, can I ask you something?
No problem. Free.
Okay. You mentioned 3 things about cheating that leads to cheating, right?
See.
And he said one of them is there's no love.
See.
Have you ever gone into relationship with someone who you don't love? Can you go into relationship with someone you don't love?
No, but
okay,
I can explain that I have never gone to a relationship where there's no love. But maybe along the relationship, along the way they were dating, the first time they will meet each other, the love they have for each other. Sometimes the love will not be there again. The love will just go once, as if somebody steal the love from each of them. Like seriously. It's like maybe somebody steal the love that they have the first time. Then later, they will be losing feeling from each other. I guess those are the things, because I've seen a lot. I've seen a girl and a boy who were dating. Later, they will say they don't have love for each other. The boy will be doing the girl like trash. The girl also will be doing the boy like trash. But the first time they are in good, but later they will end up being bad things. So I've seen a relationship like that. And I guess those are the 3 reasons why some of our guests
Then to your second opinion, you said maybe it doesn't satisfy him or her on bed, something like that. But let's take it in point of view. In satisfaction in bed, for instance, let me give this example now. For instance, you're a guy dating a girl now, and you know that look at the style I want in terms of sex. You know, this program, nobody knows it all. Have to teach each other. That's why I come up with this program. Understand? So that's why I call it let's educate each other. Understand? So the guy now found out that the girl doesn't satisfy him the way he wants in bed. Is it a crime for the guy to teach the girl, or is it a crime for the girl to teach the guy?
It's not a crime, but many people don't understand that. They lack of understanding. I wish they understand that they know the way to solve that case. But when there is no understanding, to Lagos, the
Okay.
other one will go to Warri now. You say you know the story.
Okay, wow. Thank you very much for contributing. Thank you very much for
Okay, no
contributing.
problem.
So let's go back to the comments, and also the
Problem.
line is open for anyone can call in and make your own contribution. As
Okay,
you can
okay.
see, Miss Grace has just contributed her own, and lovely Jen Franco from all the way from Spain also contributed to the program as well. So the line is free. You can call in and you can send in your own comment. Then we read it out. That's what we do in the program. No one should insult each other. Just say what you feel like to say. Please, please. That's how we do the program. So, Miss Grace, I thank you very much for contributing to the program. So let's go back to the comment people are sending in. So you can
You're
stick
always
around and see what.
welcome. You're always welcome.
Okay, now. So I have to end you up here so that I can be able to. Let me go back to the comment for benefit of those that are still joining the program newly. I will read the comment. Then the line is now open for you to call in and make your own contribution. Let me start from the very first comment that people are just commenting. The first person said, Miss Grace said, at the verse, I have already apologized. Let me just go away from there. Someone just asked a question. He said, topic, okay, John Paul, that's one of our great contributors to the program. Let me quickly remind you the topic. The topic is, why do people cheat in relationship and marriage? So that's just the topic. That's why I said today's topic is going to be a great one. All the way from France, John Paul said, the topic is, why do people cheat in relationship? So if you are contributing, please, you can either you write or you call in so we can accept your call. Then you make your own contribution. People can learn from each other, okay? So let me still go back to the comments. A lot of comments are coming in and a lot of like and sharing are coming in. So let me go back. Then Lovely Johnson said, lovely. Then Miss Grace said, thanks, bro Evans, okay? Ezege Young Money said, my DJ, you're welcome. Then John Paul said, Grace, okay. Miss Grace said, yes, Mr. John Paul. Then John Paul said, how far? Okay, let me bring another caller into the building. Okay, as you're adding, please still join to the program and contribute. It's for everyone to learn. Nobody knows it all, understand? We are here to educate each other. We are here to educate one another, understand? So, yes, you're welcome, Miss Dollar, all the way from, please, where are you calling from?
Yeah, my name is Miss Dolaranti, calling from Spain.
Okay, all the way from Spain. That's one of our great contributors. She
Spain.
contributed last Sunday on the program, so she's calling again today. Huh?
The topic of today, I don't come again.
The topic of today is, why do people cheat in relationship?
Yeah. Number one, love not there.
Okay.
Number
Okay.
two, misunderstanding.
Okay.
Number three, lack of understanding.
Hello. Is it?
Are you hearing me?
I can hear you now. I said what? Number three.
Number three, lack of misunderstanding and lack of knowledge.
Okay. So
Like,
now, in your own point of view, he said there's no love in the relationship, right? Then my question is, have you ever been into a relationship where you don't love the person? You're going to a relationship with someone you don't love?
no, if I love the person, I will be with him.
Yes. Okay.
But if I don't love him, I will just be on my own. It's not by force.
Okay.
When entering into a relationship.
So that means the cheating is not all about love, because if you don't love the person, you can never go into a relationship with the person you don't love. So
yeah.
the really point here is, why they cheat? Is it because of money or sex? Let me add that to the question. Hello.
Hello, what do you say? Can you hear you now? Repeat it again. Please.
I said, let me add this to the question. Do they cheat because of money or because of sex?
The two. The two just join.
Okay, if
The
the
two
two.
join.
Okay.
The two
Okay,
join.
why
Now
the
money
two?
be number one.
Okay, why? Why is it because of money?
Money dey o. Washa. But as for me, money dey. That self one still join. The two join.
Okay.
Mm.
So people that everybody that is listening to this program, you have heard what Miss Gold said. He said, Miss Gold, right?
Mr.
Ranking.
Ranking.
Miss Gold ranking. All the way from Spain. She said that the problem people cheat in relationship because of money, sex, and no love. So if you agree with what she's saying, please, you can still send in your own contribution. Let's continue to the program. So, Miss Rankin, thank you very much for contributing to this program.
You are
I have to
welcome,
bring another
Daddy.
person to the camera.
Eh?
Yeah, you're welcome. I have to bring another person to the camera now. So just
No
sit back
problem,
and
no
hear from
problem.
others.
Anytime. I
Yeah,
dey
thank
here to book
okay,
my
thank
own join.
okay. Anyone will still remember, you can still call in and say it.
No wahala.
Okay, now bye. So let me go back to the comment before I bring another person to the cam. He said, Mr. John Paul, Mr. Paul, yes, how far? Then I'm cool, John Paul, aka Sky Prince. Okay, you're welcome. Then Evans, the both cheat because of lack of trust and understanding. Wow, that's a very good, nice contribution. Let me bring another person to the camera. Okay. Actually, we lost the caller because of reading the comment. So the line is also open. You can still call in and send in your own contribution. Why do people cheat in relationship? Not only in relationship and in marriage. That's the topic for today. So let us educate each other. Let us educate one another. You can continue sharing the program. Invite your friends. Maybe your own opinion might be different from their own opinion. So let's do it together tonight like we did last Sunday. And it was very great. And it was so awesome. So please, guys, let's tackle this issue of cheating in relationship and marriage. So we have another caller in the building. Let's bring her or let's bring him to the program. We lost that caller again. So please, the line is still open. The line is still on. You can call and send in your own contribution. So, like I apologized before, I'm so sorry for starting this program a little bit late today because of internet issue of a thing. Please don't misunderstand me. Okay, I'm so sorry for coming in late for today. So like we do it every day, every Wednesday and Sunday. The topic is why do people cheat? Why do people cheat in relationship and in marriage? Is it because of sex or is it because of money or what? So you can make your own contribution. Then let me go back and read some contribution for the benefit of those that are just coming in. Oh, you're calling. Call. The line is open. John Paul, you can call. The line is open. The line is open. I will accept your call as quickly as I saw it. So please feel free to call in and make your own contribution. Miss Grace said, because there's no love. Lovers Johnson said, good evening, guys. Nice one. Okay. What's really happening tonight? Why can't I accept calls? Wow. I don't know what's really happening tonight with my network. Either it's my network, I don't know. But please keep on trying. Keep on trying. Please accept my call. Okay, Colin, I'll accept your call because don't be offended. I have not been accepting call because I'm having a little issue with my network, but I believe by special grace of God, we are going to overcome that. Just call in, I will accept your call, then you make your own contribution. Then keep inviting your friends. Maybe they have something to tell us, maybe something you don't know. We learn from them and they can learn from us as well. Please share this program and let people join us and make this program a wonderful one. Thank you for joining the program. The topic still remains, why do people cheat in relationship and marriage? Okay. Wow, it has gone off again. What is really happening? Please accept my. I'm waiting for your call. Once your call comes in, I'll accept that. Just check your network, okay? Because I think my network is good a bit, okay? So let's keep on making the program to be much interesting for people to learn from, and we learn from others as well. Wow. What is really happening tonight? I can't accept calls. Why? Why can't I accept call, please? What is going on? But you can still send in your own contribution. The program still remains let's educate each other. Okay? That's the topic of today is why do people cheat in relationship and in marriage? You understand? So if you have your own point of view, you can send in your comments. I'll read it out. People will learn from it. And if you have something to say, you can call in and say your own point of view, your own mind, what you think that make people cheat in relationship. Like we have about 3 callers in the building, all the way from Spain, France, and Italy. They have been calling and making their own contributions. So you just call in and make your own contribution. People that have called, they said the point that make people to cheat in relationship is about sex, money, and no love. But it baffles me that how can you say that love is involved, because you can never go into a relationship with someone you don't love. It's when you love someone that can be able to accept his or her proposal becoming your girlfriend or your boyfriend. Okay, so I don't think that love of a thing, I don't think is inclusive. For me, I would said the love is not inclusive. You understand? So still on it, yes. Prince Nelly Fresh said still on it. Okay. Why can't I accept calls? Please, what is really going on? People have been trying to reach me through this call, but it seems like the network, or I don't know what is really happening. So please, you can send in your comment. If you try calling and your call is not coming through, you can still please send in your comment. Then John Paul said, bro, money is not the problem, or says. Evan said, why must all this cheat? Why must us? Why must or must, okay, let's say, why must also cheat is because of satisfaction. Wow, that is a wonderful one. Then John Paul said, I will tell you why. Okay, we are waiting, not just me, everybody's listening to hear why he said that money is not the problem. Money or sex is not the problem. Okay, prove your point, make your point provable. He said, Miss Grace said, stop the video and start it again. No, I don't think it's because of my video. I don't know. Ending the video, starting it up again will not solve the problem. Just keep on calling. Maybe maybe Miss Grace, try calling back, because you know you called before and I picked up your call. So I don't know. You try calling back. Let me see if it's my own fault or from someone else's phone that's trying to call all this while. So let me use yours as testing meter, okay? So John Paul said, money and sex is not the problem. Why can't I accept calls? Okay, I think I've
I'm back
okay.
again.
Yes, yours is working. So maybe let me try someone
I'm
else,
back
okay?
again.
Yeah, so do you have something
Okay.
to tell us again?
Yes, now. I have many
Okay.
things to say now.
Okay. Hit me.
So it's not that
Oh, yeah, hit the building.
I heard what you said. For that marriage cheating, you know, some
Okay.
women, after being with a man for how many years, and they have children,
Okay.
they already got married, and the man have money
Okay.
that time, oh, maybe sometime now
Yes.
the man is stranded, and the
Okay.
woman now is saying her mate, their husband is giving them
Uh,
small thing, because before his husband is doing all that, but maybe later that the husband will be stranded. The woman will
okay.
not be feeling jealous if they see their mate outside, that their mate they have everything, They will not be
Okay.
as in, I don't even know how to put it. They will be feeling jealous to the extent that they will be cheating on their husband, the husband that they have lived with for like 10 years. They have children. Maybe later that the man don't have money, they will not be cheating on him. That one is number one
That's
thing in marriage.
okay.
Oh, I'm wrong.
No, you're right. You're right because
Okay.
someone I've heard of such a thing that because of money he went to sleep outside because of money to make sure that there's money in the house
See,
or something. So I've heard such a thing.
but later that
Hello.
they will be little stressed. They will not be cheating on their husband and leave the husband alone. But if God wants to punish them now, God will not raise the man up again. They will lose their marriage.
Okay.
So
You
that's what I
see,
want to say.
that's so. In essence, what you're trying to say is that everybody should be patient with whatever he or she have
See,
and
be
stop
patient.
cheating.
See, and
Okay.
and
Okay.
and husband should also love their wife, no matter what, in any situation. Also, stop. I'm sorry,
What
guys.
is really
And two, for we ladies, we should still
going
try
on?
and love our husband, no matter what, in any situation. There should be love.
Okay. 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 Girls in the building have heard what she said. She said you guys should try and be in love with your husband, no matter what condition may be, no matter how the condition may be worse or something like that. You should stick to your husband and show her more love. Thank you very much,
See,
Miss Grace, for your wonderful
the
contribution.
first time I said that if
Okay.
there's no love, the relationship will
Okay.
not work. But even if you are with somebody that you don't love, at times goes on, you will love each other. The love will be growing as far
Wow.
as you guys are trying to say, okay, let me give him a chance, and the boy will also let me give her a chance. As times goes on, the
Wow.
love will be growing. But if they don't want to give each other a chance, they don't want to understand each other, they don't just want to try, the love will just be going like this, like this, like this. Okay, see
Your
you
sister
guys
said
later.
I should call. Okay, no problem.
Later.
Thank you very much for contributing to the program. Let me bring in
Okay,
another
okay,
caller.
no
Thank you very
problem.
much.
Okay,
Yeah,
you're
you're
welcome.
welcome. Okay, now bye. Then let me quickly go back to the comments that people are dropping. This one said, bro, money is not the problem or sex. Evans Knight said, why must also cheat is because of satisfaction. John Paul said, I will tell you why. Miss Grace says, stop the video call and start doing it. I've done that and it's still working. Smart O ranking said, once is the topic. And Chuku Saint Chuku JP said, what is the topic? Please, the topic is why do people cheat in relationship? That's the topic. So please call in or send in your own point of view. Let's see the reason why people cheat in relationship. So let's accept another caller in the building. We are adding the person. Okay, you're welcome, my sister. Yeah, you're welcome.
Sorry,
This is
guys,
Selena Jane from all the way from France.
from Spain.
Oh, school. I'm so sorry to misplace the
Eh,
city you're
I
coming from.
have
All the way
something
from
to
Spain. Okay.
say. Sorry, guys, I'm not intruding
Okay.
anybody, neither I'm not interrupting anybody. I heard or I
Okay.
saw some comments that says it's love. Some said it's love, some said it's money, and some said it's satisfaction. My dear, there's nothing like that. First of all, you as a
Okay.
man, as a woman, before going into that relationship,
Okay.
even when you enter the relationship, you started that relationship, at least at a point you found out there was no love. It's better you guys
Okay.
talk as matured people. Okay, let's break up because this relationship is not going to work.
Okay.
That is number one. I say that because that
Okay.
one that people are saying is because of love. I don't think so. And number two, there's
Okay.
nothing like satisfaction. Some people, some men,
Okay.
some women, they just want to go and have sex outside their relationship, outside their marriage. There's nothing like satisfaction.
Okay.
You know that man will not satisfy you.
Okay.
Why did you marry the man or marry the woman? After some time for dating, you get what I'm saying?
Okay. You just say exactly what I didn't even know that you're twins. Your sister just called in now, said you both are twins. So she just finished contributing now before you just call in now. You're so much welcome to this program. I love what you just said now. Okay.
The other one, what's the other one? And they said it's love
Money,
and
money,
money.
sex, and satisfaction. Yes.
I don't know about that money, but that satisfaction and that of the sex. No, they just want to cheat. That's the only thing I have to
Okay.
say. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Selena, all the way from Spain. I give all the. In fact, you have been contributing so wonderful to this program. I say, may Lord bless you as you continue to contribute to this program
Thank
in
you.
Jesus' name.
Thank
Thank you so much for contributing. So let me go back to the comments and also bring another person to the cam.
you.
Okay.
Uh,
Thank you so much for contributing.
you're welcome.
Just sit back and you can still hear some other things from other people. So the program still remains, let's educate each other. The topic is, why do people cheat? Okay.
All
So
right.
nobody knows it all.
You can hand the cover there.
Can you just help me over there, because I have a lot of people calling in, so maybe just hanging. Okay, thank you. Henry Savior said, please, are you in relationship this girl so that I will try you? Wow. Then Bros Sobobo Evans Marcos said, nice contribution. Then Smart Orankin I said, nice one. Wow. Okay. So guys can still call in. The program still remains open for everybody to contribute. And Miss Grace said, correct, babe. Then Saint Chuku JP said, Oga, let me contribute. Okay, the line is open for you to call in, and you can call in. You can send in your own contribution, whichever way you want to do it. You can do it that way. We are all ears to hear from you. So that's the point. So I'm adding someone else into the call. Maybe he has something to contribute. Senchuku, we are all ears. You are still waiting for your own contribution. Like you said, Oga, let me contribute. We are all waiting. So John Paul and so many people that say they are still coming to back up their points. We are still waiting. Remember, the topic still remains, why do people cheat in relationship and in marriage? So let's educate each other. Keep sharing the program. Keep inviting your friends. Maybe they have something to tell us that we don't know before. We might learn from them. So that's how the program goes. Okay, Harry Savior is now is now with us now. So hello, good evening. Good evening.
Bro, good evening. How are you, please?
I'm fine, sir. You're welcome to the program.
Yeah, I heard the topic why
Yeah.
men marriage woman and the lady cheats on relationship.
Yes, but please, before you continue, where are you calling from? And what's your name so people can know where you're calling
Actually,
from?
I'm calling from Italy here.
Okay, all the way from Italy. Okay, make your own contribution.
My own contribution about that is that sometimes people married wrong people. Maybe the one they don't
Okay.
want to marry because the guy has money. So they went ahead
Okay.
and married the person because they have money. So at the certain
Okay.
point, maybe if the money finish, you know, he
Okay.
will start cheating on his
Okay.
husband. So
Okay.
another one also, if you don't have money and you
Okay.
marry someone who doesn't love you,
Okay.
she will also cheat on relationship because I believe some
Okay.
guys love money. Also, some
Okay.
ladies they also prefer money than more than love.
Wow. Wow. That's a
So
heavy one. That's a strong one.
So even here in
That's a
Europe,
very
you
nice
can see a
contribution.
boy of in Europe, you can see a boy of
Oh, network.
20
We are not
years or
hearing you.
20.
Maybe your network is
I say even here in Europe. Wow.
okay. Okay,
Yeah,
we can hear you
I'm
now.
saying that Yeah, I'm saying even here in Europe, you can see a lot of boys 20 years. They are marrying a woman of 50 years
Okay.
because of what? Because of
Huh.
money. So
Money.
it is all it is also
Okay.
part of
Okay.
the cheating. They live maybe they have a girlfriend who they're supposed to take care of. Maybe they promise the lady that
Okay.
I'm going to Europe, I will go and make money, come back, come and marry you. Before you know it, they
Okay.
fall in love with their grandmother here. It's also part of cheating.
Wow. Wow. This is heavy.
So that is
Okay.
my own contribution. Thank you so much.
Wow. Wow. Thank you so much for contributing NSC to the program. You have done wonderful job by contributing to this program. I so much love what you just contributed to the program. So thank you very much for contributing. Just
Merci.
sit back and still hear from other people, okay? Keep sharing the program and invite your friends.
Okay,
Let's hear
but
from them as well. Okay. So, let me before the connection, before I add someone, can let me quickly read what the comment that coming. He said, "Correct." Miss Grace said, "Correct, babe." The people sent. JP said, "Okay, let me talk." Okay, the line is open for you to contribute. John Paul said, "I'm calling." Oh, okay, the line is open now because I was on call before. Then, Oga John Paul said, Oliga Henry." Okay. So keep on contributing, keep on sharing the program, keep on inviting your friends. Let's make this program an interesting one for everyone, for everybody, so you can learn from each other. That's the main point for this program. That is the main purpose of this program, for us to learn from each other. Okay. So as you keep on calling, as long as the line is free, I will accept your call. Then you make your own contribution. So I'm adding someone now. I'm accepting call now, but the network seems to be somehow freezing or something like that. So maybe keep on calling, keep on sending your comments. I will read it out like the way we normally do it. You send in your comments, I will read it out. Other people will share and benefit from your own comment. And you can also call in to make the contribution with your own mouth. So that's how we do the program. Nobody should criticize anybody. Nobody should take it personal. Okay. It's great, say, but you can still bring. Miss Grace said, but you can still bring another to this. I don't understand. Please, Miss Grace, you can make more emphasis on what you just said. Someone said, Marcus, accept my call. I've not seen your call, Marcus. I've not seen your call. I'm so sorry. I've not seen your call. If I see your call, I will accept your call. Definitely, I will definitely accept your call. Okay. So please, once I see your call, I will accept your call. I don't know what is happening to our network tonight. Today no go well. Henry Danton said today no go well. My brother, is because of network. I don't know what is really happening. You can still send in your comments. Okay, finally, John Paul, all the way from France, has just joined the program. So, John Paul, please,
Oga, good
let's hear
evening.
let's hear from you. I greet you, pass. Good evening, brother. You're
I
welcome
greet
to the
everybody
program.
who did the house. Everybody did the house. I greet all of you now.
And I've heard everybody have heard you. So, give us what
Uh,
you
uh.
think is the
I
point.
always want people to say that they cheat from a relationship because of one money and because of sex. As a lady,
Okay.
the guy will be say
Okay.
not satisfy you. As a lady, you will tell the guy to see as I need now. If the boy of it do you do the
Okay.
boy, not what the she put. If the boy of it climb, you climb the boy.
Okay.
The boy say no tire, you climb the boy. Now two days, that not concern
Okay.
anybody. When you talk about the money,
Okay.
relationship not be
Okay.
if say about relationship not be about money. You know, guys say if you be great guy,
Okay.
will be say like how you go marry your person will be like your mama because of money. You don't eat this like when you go to marry person will be like
o-
your mama because of money.
o-
No, bro,
Okay.
everything wey dey cause this na wetin na wrong na bad communication, bad corruption. Na dey worry most of them. Evil communication
Okay.
cause manners. Na the kind friends wey dem dey follow. Unto my own, the
Okay.
kind person dey follow, the kind things wey e do. Now you go shit on the
Okay.
guy, or guy say go shit on the babe. Guy wey dey waka with boys wey be say They carry women. You see they carry women. Your friend
Okay.
don't they stay with one guy. The blood go enter your body.
Okay.
They'll corrupt you. You see join the gag. Safety not be about money or sex.
Okay.
Corruption did that place. What do you? The communication you and your friends they do corrupt. So you get the right to shit on your guy.
Okay. So what you're trying to say is that
No.
most of the thing that is happening in relationship
If-
and the cheating of a thing depends on the
Before
communication you communicate
communication
with your friends.
with your
This is
guys, yes now.
communication,
How
okay?
you be Christian be say you know they smoke, you know they drink. You get friends that they drink.
Okay.
They go you go drink. They call you drink. You go smoke.
But let me correct you. But let me give you some correction based on the terms of you're joining people that are not smoking and start smoking. There's something you have to know. In terms of that of a thing, they say corruption starts from the mind. Like, let me use myself as an example. Okay. Let me use myself as an example because it's good for you to talk out of experience. Like me now, I have a guy that smoke, that drinks. You understand? You have been following each other for let me just say the truth. We have been into friendship. He's a guy, not a girl. He's a guy. I've been into friendship. We know each other for like close to 3 or 4 years now. You understand? But if I tell you I've never tested smoke since I was born, you won't believe it. But people see me with him, they will think that okay, this guy smoke alongside with him or he do whatever that guy do. No, it depends on what you decide to do with your own mind. If you decide to cheat, you cheat. But if you decide not to cheat, my brother, not even somebody will tell you that will make you to cheat. That's one thing I have to add to the program. So continue to what you're saying. Then we have to bring some other people to the camera. So just round up with your own contribution.
That will say
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. John Paul, all the way from France. We give you 100 Boza for your own contribution. You have contributed endlessly to this program. I say, may you continue to contribute this way and continue inviting your friends so that we can learn from each other, okay? Nobody knows it all.
Bro, see, you the comment too. I go 1 hour, 30 minutes, never tire. You ask me how many hours have you
go. Okay. You can say that in your because the camera people are still calling. Okay. Please, who is calling to tell me that is calling? Let me accept because a lot of people line up here. Let me read the comment before I go back to call again. He said, please accept my call. I've already done that. Sorry, it's a mistake. Okay. Who said, okay. So I've been trying to accept your call, but I'm not seeing you yet. Harry Danton said today, no go well. Okay, no problem. Maybe it's not the topic that you expected to hear, but to have to tackle it today. Then on Sunday, we have another wonderful topic we're going to discuss on Sunday. Maybe my network will be more functionable that day because I have to subscribe on Friday. This one said, Bros Sobobo Evi, so he said, I greet you too. Selena Jane Franco said, haha, he just laughed. Then Miss Dora Rankin said, guy, you get mad. Thank you very much. The last caller, he was talking about the last caller that called. And Miss Grace said, what if the boy doesn't have the strength? Wow. For me, let me contribute before I go on with the comment. If the guy doesn't have the strength, then you have the strength. You can buy him some energy drink or something like that, whatever you know. Since you are a professional in that area, you know how to make someone that don't have the strength to have the strength. I'm not saying that you're a professional or you're doing it, but I'm just trying to, no verse. I'm just trying to say what will help. Understand? Whatever you know that can help the guy to have the strength, you can do it as long as he's your man. Okay, he's your man. It's not someone else's man. You can do whatever you want to do with him in behind the doors. Nobody knows what you guys are doing over there. I don't know because I know who touch for now. So that's just the point. So if he doesn't have the strength, you provide him something that will make him to have the strength. If you have to go and buy drugs for him, but I'm not advising to use drugs on sexual intercourse or something like that. That's just the point. Let me continue what I'm doing. And then Smart O Ranking, I said he must have the strength to Mike. So that I'm laughing, but that's just the truth. He must have the strength because he must, whatever you start, you must have the strength to finish it. Thank you very much. Miss Grace said some guys can only go for 5 minutes. Wow, no be indomie then they cook na beg, no be indomie. No verse I use that word of indomie, but that's just the truth. Harry Doctor said, Grace, how many minutes good for you. I don't know. Please, let's contribute to the program and leave the other ones. Okay. Then Miss Grace said, "You are not my boyfriend." Wow, you have answered you, my brother. I have heard what she have just said. Then Senator Gianfranco just laughed at the comment, and Harry Savior said, "Sometimes the people we should fear the most should be the ones closest to us." Wow, that's another wonderful. And I don't know who is calling. Okay, Henry Savio. I think Henry Savio has contributed to the program. I don't know if he's the one calling back. Please tell me, because the problem we're having with network tonight, I don't really know. A lot of calls are coming in at the same time. Please, if you are calling, just write me that you are calling. Let me see if it shows up immediately. I'll accept your call so you can contribute to it, because I have a lot of people lined up here calling. I don't know. Let me add up this person and see if he's the one calling. Senator John Franco said, but I don't really think it's all about satisfaction. No. Well, that's true. And Miss Grace said it's true. Okay. Okay. Whoever is calling, I don't know. I have a lot of things going on here. Please, if you're calling, I have a little issue with my network today. It's not usual like last Sunday we did it, but to help the situation and to make it more easier for all of us, please just send me your name, tell me that you're calling. Let me see if I can see from the add up list, then I can add you up for you to contribute in your own way, or in your own little way, in never case which it may be or something. Let me not even bite my tongue of trying to say what I'm trying to say. Okay. So please, let's keep on sharing this program. Keep inviting your friends. Let's make this program an interesting one. Okay. People are still contributing earnestly. If you can, maybe I have to go back to some comment that people have just commented, or let me repeat the topic of the program again. The topic of the program once again is, why do people cheat in relationship and in marriage? Both married men and married women are crying they are cheating because so let me just say this. Let me quickly say this before the program continues. In my own point of view, let me just say, cheating in relationship, will I just say, is a kind of is more easier than to is more painful to cheat in marriage, because the marriage own is what pains a lot. Because if you know they are going to cheat on the person you're getting married to, why didn't you guys quit their relationship before it leads to marriage? That's the worst part of it, because you have just went to the altar to vow. Because I think most people don't really understand the word married. They don't really understand what it really mean by getting married. Getting married doesn't mean that you just because my friend just get married, let me just jump into marriage just like that. No, it's never been done. You understand? Getting married is not just something you just go in and come back and come out any moment you wish. Like, no. Getting married, you have gone to the altar of God and to make vow. Do you know what it means to make vow? To make promises to each other that for better, for worse. Do you know the meaning of that word, for better, for worse? But most people these days mislikely that word to be an acting. Okay, I want to call Evans. I want to call. Let's see if it shows up. It haven't showed up, but just try. Let me see if it shows up here, and I will definitely accept your call. Okay. Evans is not showing up. He's not showing up. I've not seen any sign from you. I'm still waiting. Once he shows up, I will definitely accept you, because I don't really know what is really happening to my network tonight. But I promise Sunday program will not be the same way because of the problem of the network. Because I'm going to subscribe it on Friday. Okay. I'm so sorry. If I cannot be able to add you on cam tonight, please do bear with me, because it's not my fault. Maybe it's network problem, but I promise I'm subscribing on Friday to make sure that we have a better connection on Sunday. Okay, please call in. Yes, I want to call. Okay, once you call in, I'll accept your call. I've opened the list down. Once the thing comes in, I'll accept the call. Please just bear with me. Let's be doing it that way. Okay, I've not seen those guys that want to call. Just try and call. Maybe your call are colliding. Okay, let me read the one that is coming from Oh, what is really happening? I'm not seeing, I've just seen the sign, but I won't see the call. That's the point. Henry Savior says sometimes what bring cheat is marrying a wrong. Okay, Colin Evans, I'm still waiting for your call. Evans, nice. I've not seen you at the list. I only see. Okay, let me quickly read people that I see on the list so that you know if you're calling. Just tell me that you're calling. I can easily add you up. People that I see on the list are Selena Jane Franco, Miss Grace, Miss Dollar Rankin, Henry Savior, and Hippie Paris. So please, if Hippie Paris, so Hippie Paris, or I don't know, but if you are among those that are seeing the list, please, and you want me to add up the call and accept the call, just tell me because other guys are calling. I've not seen their names on the list. So let me go back to the comment people are commenting. He said, Henry Savior said, sometimes what brings cheat is marrying a wrong person. Breakups hurt, but losing, oh, then losing someone who doesn't respect and appreciate you is actually a gain, not a loss. Wow, this is a very wonderful contribution. Coming from Henry Savior, all the way from Italy. I love your comments so much. Then Evans Ness said, Colin, I've not seen your call. Please do bear with me. I will try as much as possible to see if I can see you or I can accept your call once I see you. Then Miss Grace said, Harry, you are sure? You are sure? Yes. That's a very nice one. Evans. I haven't seen Evans. Nice. Let's see if I can be able to place the call. Evans, nice. I didn't see him. Please, I don't know what else to do in this issue now. I don't know. Please, Evans, I'm trying to add you, but I don't know. Then Henry Savior replied to Miss Grace, say very sure. It's Olua praise. I came late. Please, friends, what is the topic? What is today's topic, please? Okay, praise. The topic of today is why do people cheat in relationship and marriage? Most people that got married, after cheating in relationship, they also end up cheating in marriage as well. So what do you think that makes them to cheat? Is it because of money or sex or what? What do you think? In your own opinion, what do you think that makes people to cheat in relationship and in marriage? That's the topic for today. Please, if you are calling and I've not been able to accept your call, please do bear with me. Like I said earlier before, my subscription finished last Sunday while we are doing it, and I have to subscribe on Friday. I'll try my possible best to subscribe today, but it won't work out because my expiring date of subscription have not reached. So it will be expiring on Friday. I'll be subscribing on Friday. So I'll try to manage and find a way of connecting this internet I'm using right now. Please, if you are calling, please specify that you are calling. Let me know if I can still add the list of names that's being shown. Okay, so I can accept your call. I'm not rejecting any calls, please. Don't feel that I'm rejecting your call. I'm not rejecting your call. I'm just trying to make it to be easier for all of us, please. I don't know what is really wrong with the network this night, but I promise Sunday's program is not going to be the same. Everybody must call into the program and I'll accept all the calls that are coming in. Please, I beg and I apologize for not accepting your calls in case, because I've been trying to do that, but it seems like the network is not strong enough to show up your, but I do receive the notification that you're calling. Once I wanted to accept it, the notification will quickly go off. I can't be able to accept anymore. So, but please keep on trying. Then I'm definitely going to accept your call as soon as it shows up. So let me quickly go back to the comment people are commenting. Like I've just read it's praise. He said, I came late, please. Friend, what's the topic today? Okay. Miss Grace said, wrong people is not the problem in a relationship. Wow. Then thanks for the topic. Okay, you're welcome, my brother. Praise. Okay, so the line is still open. It's still open. Let's keep trying. People that I see on the list are maybe Saint Chuku might have something to contribute. Now I'm just adding him on the cam now because his name just showed up to the cam. So I'm adding him up now. So guys, let's see what he wants to say, what his own contribution. Okay, finally he has joined the camp. So Senchuku, you're welcome. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Switzerland.
Okay, Switzerland. Okay, all the way from Switzerland, Senchuku. So give us what do you think that make people to cheat in relationship?
You said, come again.
The topic of today's program is why do people cheat in relationship and marriage? He's calling all the way from Switzerland. So make your own contribution.
Why do people, the married,
Cheat in relationship and in marriage.
okay, why are they cheating? Why are they cheating in relationship and in marriage?
Yes.
You know, right from set, there's nothing like love.
Okay.
There's nothing like love. You see people say love, love, love. I do tell people there's nothing like love. What is love? You know what the meaning of love? You see a
Okay.
girl. I don't want to enter into marriage if the guy is not working, if the guy is not doing, if the guy is not having blah 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 blah. If you love someone, no matter the background, no matter what the person is facing, are you getting me? No matter what the person is
Okay.
facing,
Yeah, I'm with you.
you have to stick
Okay.
with that person. You have to plant with that person. You understand? You have to plant with that person.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
But to me,
Yes.
I don't know, but to me, there's nothing like love.
Okay.
There's nothing.
Okay, that's your own contribution.
See, there's nothing like love. No love. No love.
Okay.
You know, this marriage of a thing, just okay, let's just be into marriage based on okay, tomorrow we'll have children, something like that. There's nothing like love. Love, nothing like love.
Okay.
Because if there's love,
Okay.
why we
You guys have heard what? Okay,
say
you
what?
guys have heard what Senchuku JP just said. He said nothing there's nothing like love in
The only
that
person,
relationship or in
the
that
only
marriage.
person that
So,
the only person that loves us is Jesus Christ, that came to this earth to come and die for us, is Jesus Christ. Yes, so because
okay.
there's nothing like love. If a girl tell
Okay.
you, I love you, eh? If a girl tell you I
Yes.
love you, go and reason yourself. Go and reason yourself. Maybe
Okay.
because of one or two benefits, because of what she's getting
Okay.
from you,
Okay.
because of what she's
That's
getting from
heavy.
you. There's nothing to me. There's nothing like love. I'm
Okay.
telling you, there's nothing like love.
Okay. So you
I'm
have
not
contributed well to the
imposing
program.
anyone.
I thank you so much.
I'm not imposing anyone, but I'm just.
He said, okay. He said Chuku have just contributed to the program all the way from Switzerland. He said in his own contribution, there's nothing like love. So the program and the line is still open for you to contribute, to call in and make your own contribution. So let's see what people have to say about what Chuku said and all your own contribution for the program. This one said, Miss Grace said, hello. And so bro, so what about AV7 Marcos said, nice contribution again. Mandela, we said, Oga, sent. Okay, we have another caller in the building.
Hello, boss. Good evening.
Lovely Johnson, Lovett Johnson, you're welcome to the program. Where are you calling from?
Germany.
Okay, all the way from Germany. She's one of our contributors. Every time we have this program, she always contributes. So let's hear what she had to say this night. You're welcome to the program once again. So what do you have to say?
Maybe for example that as in marriage or relationship, there is no trust because most of our girls are just looking for what they want to achieve. Or for example, if the boy is not working or if the guy is not working, they don't want to go into a relationship with him. They will say the guy don't have money. He's so very poor because most girls in Europe is just that in marriage, because I see a lot of things, all because of money, they will divorce their husband, and a lot of things happen here in Germany. They want to claim single mother.
Wow.
All because of that. Somebody also poison your husband, all because of money. They should the money that they give to the kids. And most girls are also very desperate of money. Mostly in this Germany, most of them will just go and claim single mother. They don't want to stay with their husband because of money, maybe because of the money that government is paying them or the tax money, which is very bad. And in this Germany, before you will see a single, or most all of them is just married men, and most the girls also. And you will see them in the streets really begging, which is very, I think the thing is crazy. All because of what? All because of money.
Wow.
They will divorce their husband. It's very bad because what I believe in this life, money is not everything, and money can never buy happiness in life. And because there is no love there,
Sure,
maybe there
sure.
is
You're right,
love
my sister.
and there is trust. I guess something like that is not going to happen. But most of our girls, they all think that money can rule the world, which is lie. Money cannot rule
Hmm.
the world in this life. I was a guy, yeah, but I'm not going to
Sure.
call his name. He's talking to me now, going to 3 years now. We came together. I know him from Libya. It's not that I did not like the guy, but dating a distant relationship, I don't like it. I just want to see a guy, as in the guy is going to be beside me, not maybe he's going to be far away from me or something like that. I don't really like it because most of our guests, they're just looking for money and they also, as in, mostly in this Germany, I will use Germany to make example because I've seen a lot of guests.
Wow.
So I have a friend
Hmm.
here also. She just get pregnant. She's 16 years old. All because of what? Money or
16
dating.
years.
That is bullshit for where I am.
Oh,
And
God.
a lot of things happen every day, mostly in Germany. I'll use Germany to make example. If anybody that live in Germany also, they also bear me witness. I live in Germany, and I was going to
Hmm.
the airport now. You see a lot of things happening all because of money. Our guests will divorce their husband.
Hmm.
They don't want to stay with them all because of money, because of the children to them.
Hmm. This
I
is
mean,
this is
it's
crazy. This
really
is this
crazy.
is this is somehow crazy.
Yeah, and in Germany, yeah, maybe if you want to, it's as in it's not a country that maybe a single wants to come and stay or something like that. It's both as in it's just like a two
Yeah.
couple because somebody cannot came here to come and stay. And most of our guys here always are they think it's so very difficult for them because they say they don't want guys.
Hello.
Guys, are you hearing me?
Yeah, I can hear
A
you
lot
now.
of
Before I didn't hear
a lot
before.
of guys they just want money. As in maybe if they're looking for a guy, they want to date a guy. If that guy doesn't have money, they will say, no, I don't love you. What I believe is that money without love, as
So
in
that's
most of our clients is rubbish because they need money. Or they're just looking for something that they want to achieve because there is no trust there, there is no love, and there is no caring. It's not like maybe if you like a
hmm.
guy or you really have feeling for that guy. I guess maybe in the bad side or the good side, you're going to stay with him. But most of our guests, their own is really
Yeah.
bad. They don't want to stay with it. They'll say, they want to go and repair it, not so. At least you fight with the boy. You guys
Hmm.
will raise a home. As in, you guys will struggle together because when, as in future, I guess everything is going to be okay. But most of our guests, they don't think so. They just want to go and repair it, not
Yeah.
so. All because of money. They don't go to down for this in a Ferrari or be in the front of car and be say, they don't know how to take bike.
Wow, my sister, you
Seriously,
have just said it all. You have just said it all.
the thing is crazy.
Serious, eh?
Yeah.
Wow, so much appreciate your contribution. You have because you have contributed endlessly to this program. I so much appreciate your contribution. Thank you very much for contributing. So people that are listening out there, at least I've heard what our sister all the way from Germany just said. He said some of those girls, they are after money, they are not after the love. That's why they end up cheating. They just want to get everything. That's a very nice one from our sister Lovett Johnson. Thank you very much. Let me bring another person to the cam. You may stay at the program I see here from other. Don't forget to join Sunday's program again because I'm having it on Sunday as well. So please, guys, I hope you guys are learning something from this program. If you really love this program and you want us to continue doing this program, please show some love by sharing this program. Introduce it to your friends that you think they need to enjoy this program as well with you. Don't enjoy it all alone. Please just introduce your friends to this program. I believe they can learn so many things from this program as well. Please, 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 I'm begging you can introduce this program to your friends and invite them as well to join us with this wonderful program. Okay, let me go back to the comment before I can bring on another person to contribute. Bros Sobobo Evis Marcus said, nice contribution again. Mandela Odi said, Oga sent you go. Oga Sent, you are talking from experience. I dey feel you. Wow. Miss Grace said, thank you, my brother. You are right, okay? Then Bros Sobobo said, Bros Sobobo said, nice contribution again from Lovett. Thank you very much, brother. You are really following the program. Bros Sobobo Evans Marcos, Elafaha. Henry Savior, have you ever cheated before? If you are not, Henry Savior said, Have you ever cheated before? If not, come to me. My brother, I don't understand you. Then Miss Grace said, my dear, this is happening in Italy. Wow. He said it's happening in Italy also. Then Bros Sobobo Evans Marcos said, oh, you too much with your contribution. Then too much with your contribution. Then Miss Mandela, oh, he said thunder fire there. Thunder fire there. Then Henry Savior said, God bless you, my dear. I'm gonna keep this your contribution. Then John Paul said, let's see. John Paul said, who that girl? Who that girl? I wish I never get who I want marry. I for I for say make we marry. You have said what on my mind. Okay, that's a nice one. Then Miss Dollar Rankin said na men was pass. So now we're not come here to judge. Please, let me quickly drop this. Please, we are not here to judge who is worse and who is not, because the topic is not who cheats most. No, we are not siding anybody here. We are doing an open program. Why do people cheat? Don't say that men cheat worse or this one cheat more. Okay, Senator John. Okay, you are calling. Okay, I will accept your call as soon as possible. And Henry Savior said, "See them, ha ha ha." Okay, let me bring another person to the camera right now. Let's hear what she wants to say. Okay. Please, if you want to call, let me know so I can also easily accept your call when you're calling. Okay, our sister is back.
I'm back
Selena
again.
John, Frank, welcome back.
You see,
Yeah, welcome back to the program.
I was just going through the comments and all. God will bless that girl that called just now. God will seriously
Okay, all the way from
bless her.
Love it, Johnson, all the way from Germany.
She just
She
said
can hear you.
everything.
I guess she's
Bros, if you listen to
Okay.
it, the first call I gave to you, I told you that there is no trust. If there is trust, they will not go and do that. And she just said it, and it's true. Be it man, be it woman, we just want to.
That's why I don't want to side anybody. That's why I bring the topic to be
Yes.
open. Let's not just side one particular person. Because I see someone here trying to side one side. I said there's no need of siding anybody at all. Let's just do it openly. So nobody will feel intimidated in this program.
Be it man, be it woman. We just want to reap from what we did not sow. That's what the girl said, and which is true. Bros, if you look at it, this Europe, I've seen a lot of things, You see the way girls are getting pregnant, the way men are getting married to women that are older than them just because of what they are looking for.
Child.
The girl break my heart. I beg, babe, you too much. That's just the truth. There's no trust because you cannot tell me you went into a relationship. You are seeing it being written on the wall that this relationship will not stand. You still put it. You know what you are doing. Because you know what you are doing. It's very obvious. So, bros, that's the only thing I want to say. The girl said everything, and that is the truth. Europe turned our life upside down. It changed our characters, everything.
Yeah, this
Sunday. Even the ones that came from responsible home. What?
Yeah, on Sunday there's another wonderful topic I will be bringing on Sunday for us to discuss.
I can't wait.
Okay, no problem.
Because even the responsible ones, the one that came from a good home, the moment they enter this Europe, things change. Everything change. They want to live like their friends. My friend is putting on the latest shoe. So let me go and buy my own. If I don't have that money, I have to go and look for how I will get that money by all means. Go and toast one boy, runs with one boy that will give me money to buy latest shoe. So they just want to be shiny. They want to sow from where they did not reap. That's just the truth.
That's just the problem of this. But on Sunday,
bros,
I'll be bringing up that on Sunday.
Married woman, a married woman, when you know pastor blessed your marriage, why would you even try it to go out of your home to go and have sex or cheat on your man? They are not even afraid. Even if they are not afraid of the pastor, at least they should be afraid. They should think of their family, their children. They should think of their tradition.
Yes.
Bros, like me, I will not lie to you. Where I came from in Delta, if you as a woman, you are married and you cheat on your husband, and you don't say the truth, maybe when one of your child forms sick, they ask you what happened, you couldn't say the truth, that child will die. Until you say the truth what you did. Yes, they don't respect their
My
traditions.
God.
Even if you don't respect your man,
That, see,
you don't respect yourself, you don't respect that pastor, respect your traditions. Can you be
okay.
married? Let's forget about the relationship. Now marriage.
Yeah, that's why I'm hitting much on that
Because
marriage of
bro, if
again.
you see this Europe, the marriage that they are just doing,
Yes.
I want to
Oh, network. What is really happening?
and this one will say, my wedding na next tomorrow. Hope you go come. Who bless the marriage? Who bros, what we don't see for Europe,
Hello.
What we don't see? I'm just
Yeah. Can you just repeat yourself?
two
Because
years
the network
plus in
just
this Europe.
broke up. We didn't
But
hear what you said.
the little things I've seen in this Europe, my sister or my brother, it's better you hold yourself, because if you don't, they will influence you.
Okay.
They will surely influence you.
Okay.
So be strong enough. Be strong. Don't think Peter has good car. Me, I will still go and look for how he made that money, or I will still go to the road and stand so I can get that car. No, be yourself. If you see true love, my brother, my sister, hold that love tight. Hold it very tight, because
Simple.
Europe is
Yes.
hard. The hardest place to find true love is Europe. To find true love is Europe. Okay, why do you
You're
think,
right, my sister.
bro? Why
You're
do you
right.
think that our men, some of our men, some of our women, they are going back to Nigeria to go and get a wife? When you ask them, they will tell you that, my brother,
Wow.
my sister, if it's sweet, it's because we ourselves, we not carry ourselves down. We just want to have money to build mansion.
Yes.
Your
Well, thank you very much for your contribution. I have
marriage
to
is
bring,
home.
because so many
Break
people are
it
calling
down.
on the program to contribute as well.
Bro, I beg God
So
bless
just
that
sit
man.
back. Yeah, amen. So
All right,
let's just
bro.
sit back and listen to the program. Just invite more of your friends. Let them hear, because there's somebody out there that need to hear all this word that you are saying. Even
They
after this
already
program, keep on
watched
sharing this
already.
so other people can hear and benefit from this program. Then on Sunday, I
They're
have another
watching.
wonderful topic I'll be
Even some
discussing
of
on
them,
it
they
as
know you
well.
are saying the
So
truth,
let's
though. They know you are saying the truth. But how to just say yes, you're saying the truth is their problem. Some of them, they know. They know
that's
you're
it.
saying the
That's
truth.
it now. So, but they said at the
All right.
end, they said the end shall tell. Understand? The end shall
Yes,
tell.
bros, the
So
end
that's just
shall
the
tell.
simple truth.
The
Yeah.
end will
So
surely tell. Seeing them running to
yeah.
Germany like
Thank you
that,
very
then
much for your
Germany
contribution.
has
Let me bring
passed.
another person.
All
Yeah,
right, bro.
now you don't finish. Let me bring another person to the camp. You just sit back, you will see here more.
All
You will
right.
hear more of this.
All right.
Okay. You. Yeah. You guys have heard what is happening in the room. I think the program is getting more interesting. You can see the last caller, the second to the last caller, how people are misbehaving and how everything is going. Please, like I said before, let's not take this to one side. I didn't mention men or women or boys or girls who cheat most. I said, why do people cheat in relationship? Both men and women, everybody's involved. Excuse me. Let's not take it a one side something, I understand. Okay, let me quickly read the comment that comes in while we are receiving the live call. This one said, call me, okay. Now just finish your call. Then the receiver said, yes, so please, bro, I said we should not criticize and we should not take it as a personal issue, please. You are doing this for everybody, not one particular person. I'm not siding anybody in this program, please. Let's be real, let's be realistic here, please, okay? Let's not just call and face one side on this program. That's why I make it openly. I didn't say boys and girls who cheat pass, because if I said that as a topic, boys and girls who cheat pass, I know I'm going to turn this program upside down. That's why I just make it an open program so I can contribute. Sababa Evans Marcos said, brother, please remove your mind from that girl. Oh. Yeah. I bet I don't go fight for this room. These girls you are seeing here, everybody is contributing to the program to make sure the program is going the way it's supposed to be. Please, let's not fight here, okay? Then Chuku JP said, no love lost between Romeo and Juliet. All she needs is the money. My brother, fear Juliet. Anyway, that's one from that one comes from Saint Chuku JP. I know John Paul said, okay, my brother. Okay, my brother. Then Bros Sobobo Evans said, Amen. Then Ola praise Olosho praise said, oh, this one a PDF now right here. Then I'll get patient married and finish. I beg now PDF notes now your copy for here. But you see, you really get time to write all this in. But thank you for the contribution. So let me quickly read what he said. He said, "Be faithful to your partner. Being faithful to your partner seems like the most obvious and important promise you can make when you commit to being together. Perhaps it is for this reason that identify is such a significant contributor to divorce, right behind physical abuse. When people are unfaithful to their partners, they may find it difficult to admit that they have cheated not only to them but to themselves. Everyone engages in a bit of self-justification of all kinds of misbehaviors, such as telling a white lie. I don't want to hurt her feelings, or cutting someone's off in traffic. I was in a hurry. You will justify this misdeed by claiming that someone else's feelings or I'm coming, please. I need small time to finish what this guy wrote here. Our feelings, or only doing them because you had no choice. In the case of the much longer wrongdoing of relationship, identify indefinitely. However, your ability to rationalize might be shattered beyond responsible limits. Wow, that's a long comment, but all we see say thank you for your contribution. Okay, maybe I'll be bringing someone else to the cam very soon. Let's see who we have on camera to bring them to cam. Okay. Please, if you're calling, justify that you're calling. It's Kevin White. Maybe you're calling. Let's see your own contribution. What do you have to say about the program and the rest of it? Then you can still send in your comments, like people that are commenting from Germany, Spain, Greece, France. As you can see, a lot of comment is going on. So please, let's keep on sharing this program. Keep on inviting our friends. Let us learn from each other. That's the main aim of creating this program, is let us educate one another, because nobody knows it all. Let us keep on educating ourselves. That's the point in this program. That's why we make this program to be available for everyone. I only apologize for every one of you that are following me on this program for not bringing it on time like the way I promised, because my internet got finished, and somehow I managed to get an internet to do it this night. But the point here is the calling aspect is somehow giving problem. So but I promise on Sunday, please do join me again on Sunday. I have another interesting topic that we'll be discussing. You understand? Because today have just been kind of messed up because of network, but I'll be subscribing on Friday to make sure that Sunday's program will not be left out. Understand? I promise to do it more better on Sunday. I will definitely accept all calls, because I know so many people are trying to call in the program to make their own contribution, but due to network problem and some technical issues that are beyond my control for today, because I know it's not beyond me, but just for the moment, for me not to disappoint you guys for not doing the program, that's why I tried do it this way. So if you try calling and your calling is not going through, please don't be limited out. Don't feel shy. Don't feel that you are not being appreciated. Please, you are so much highly appreciated. Just what you do me a favor, you can write whatever you want to say. I'm here to read it out for people to hear what you are saying. Like as I just did about its praise. He just write us a PDF note, as in a full novel, understand? But I still take out my time to read it out. So we really appreciate what he just commented. Okay, so please, we are still waiting for your own contribution. You can call, or you can send in, or you can signify me that you want to call. Let me quickly rush down to the call list and see if your name is being appeared there. I will accept you as soon as possible. Please, just signify me that you want to call. Then let me rush down to the call list and see if your name shows up there. I will definitely add you up. I'll do that for today because of the calling list is not coming up. It will only show that someone is calling, but I won't know the name of the person that is calling. It won't show any name again. So please just identify me by telling me that you want to call. In case you are trying to call, since I have not been picking your calls, you can equally identify with me so I can be able to bring you to camera that people can hear you out. Okay, the line is open for everyone. You can call and make your own contribution. Like people that are still on the list here are Selena John, Gianfranco, Henry Savior, John Paul, Lovett Johnson, it's Kevin White. These are people I have on the list for call. So if you know you are among those who are just calling and you want to call, you can just quickly let me know. Then I will accept your call so that we'll move on with the program. Because today we just past 11. You know, we normally end the program by 10, but due to the network problem and all the rest, so for me to accept everybody's call and just to make everybody feel at home, that's why I have to leave this program till 12 o'clock. So if you can be able to, if I didn't accept your call, so you can have enough time to write whatever you want to write and send it in, then I will read it out. But I promise exactly 12 o'clock, I'll be ending this program. So I will know what I will do to what is happening to this calling issue. So that definitely on Sunday, it will not repeat itself. So anybody can call in and I will accept your call as soon as possible. So please, keep sharing this program, keep inviting your friends. Let's educate one another because nobody knows it all, okay? That's just the point. So the program is still open. Someone is calling, but okay. I think this person wants to contribute. Essay. Let's see if he really wants to contribute because he just showed up on the list. Because I believe the people that shows up at the list are people that want to call. So, and for the benefit of those that want to watch the match, I will not end this video until 12 o'clock because I believe by 12, the Champions League will be over so that they can also benefit from this program and they can also contribute to the program. So I'm just doing it for today. Bear in mind that on Sunday, I normally do this a one hour program, but if the program gets more interesting, we can extend it to 11 o'clock. But because of today issue of not coming on time and not having the appropriate network I suppose have to do this program, I will extend it to 12 o'clock. Please do as much as possible, try as much as possible to contribute and also send in your own contribution. If you can't call, you can write it and send it to me and I'll read it out. So as you can see, so many people have contributed and also said so many things. Then God's Time T-Best said the major problem in Europe is relationship is money and imitation of friends. Wow, he have just said it all again. I have just said almost exactly what our sister that called from all the way from Germany, Lovett Johnson, said. Imitation, money, and all these things is just the problem here in Europe in relationship. So please, guys, if you still think there are some other things that makes people to cheat in relationship, don't hesitate to send in, or you can call in for the program. Then we'll accept your call. Then you make your own contribution. Let's keep on contributing and keep on inviting our friends. Like I said, I'm going to leave this program till 12 o'clock just to make sure that people that want to watch Champions League were able to come back and meet us with this program and see have something to contribute or to tell us, we can learn from them. They can also learn from the one we have said before. So that's how the program is. We do it every Wednesday from 9 o'clock till 10 o'clock, but it depends on how the program gets more interesting. We extend it to 11 o'clock. And we do it every on Sunday at the same time, 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, but it depends on how the program gets more interesting. We extend it to 11 o'clock. So for today, I'm extending it to 12 o'clock because I did not start quite on time. Because of network problem, I have my subscription got exhausted at last Sunday's program. So, and it's not yet time for me to subscribe. So, but I'm promising every one of you that Friday, definitely on Friday, I'm going to subscribe then to make sure that the problem we encounter today is not going to repeat itself on Sunday, so that we will have a free network, we'll have a free movement on our connection to contribute and to also to share our own ideas. So the line is still open. The comment box is still open, so you can contribute, you can share, you can invite your friends, just to make this program to be an interesting and a mind-blowing one. Keep on sharing and keep on inviting your friends. Let us learn together, okay? You can learn from me, I can also learn from you. Like, if you heard what our sister come from all the way from Germany said, she just said it all. And most of you that watch her saying all this show so much appreciation, show so much love to her that she just make the as in the rightful point at the right time. So you can, if you think that you have something to say as well, we are all here to hear you out and also to listen to what you're saying. The topic still remains: why do people cheat in relationship? I bet when I no go beat me, say I say girls. So I'm not calling a particular person. I'm not citing anybody. I beg go. I'm pleading. No, I didn't mention girls. So sorry, it's a slip of tongue. My tongue not dey sleep before my eye go sleep. I beg no verse. Na slip of tongue. The topic is: why do people cheat in relationship, mostly in marriage? Is it because of sex or is it because of money? Then Mandela, we said presenter is like some, okay, presenter is like some many girls has broken your heart for you to bring this topic. My brother, nobody break my heart. Nobody break my heart. To be sincere, my brother, wait, let me be sincere with you. The reason I'm doing this program is that I've experienced a lot of things. You understand? You know, you can't just wake up one day and start doing such program. Had it been you join us in our last program, or since we started this program, let me just say, this is the 4th day or the 5th day we are doing this program. So I'm just talking out of experience. Understand? I'm just doing this program just to help people out there, not just only me, but other people as well. Maybe you might be in this same shoe of a thing, but in my own case, nobody break my heart. Just that I'm just led to bring this topic because I see that cheating is most of the thing that people normally say in every conversation. They say my girlfriend cheat on me, my boyfriend cheat on me. So that's why I bring this topic up and said, okay, why do people really cheat? Is it because money or sex of a thing? That's why I bring the topic. Nobody break my heart, okay? My brother, just take that away from me. Yeah, bros. So Bob Elvis Marcus said, good night, everyone. I'm about to sleep. See you all on Sunday. Okay, thank you, my brother. I know you learned something from this program. If you really enjoy this program, please don't hesitate to invite your friends as well to join us in this program. Don't be enjoying it all alone. We really appreciate your contribution all the way you have been contributing. Please do invite your friends to join us on Sunday, exactly 9 o'clock in the night. When we start the program, then it depends on how the program is going to be. That will determine when we are going to end it. So, thank you very much. Sleep, I beg. I for say one thing, I for say me sleep like a baby. But if you say me sleep like a baby now, if you go piss for bed now, if they ask you go say they say, brother, thanks for coming. See you on Sunday, my brother. So back to what I was telling Mandela. Nobody knows it all, okay? It's not matter of, it's not about breaking off a heart of a thing or matter of someone break your heart or not. No, please just take it that way. Say now, James, why are you laughing? Okay, well, is it because of what I said or what? But all still the same, Sha. That's just to make the program to be fun, understand? Yeah, no problem. My brother, sleep like, oh, I want to say sleep like a baby again. Please, sleep tight. Have a nice dream, okay? Don't sleep like a baby. May no go piss for bed, I beg. May they no go talk saying because they say they say me sleep like a newborn baby. Now I make you go piss for bed. Sorry, because newborn baby they piss for bed. So that's it. Let's keep on contributing. Let's keep the program moving. If you want to call, the line is still open. Please, if you want to call, the line is still open for you to make your own contribution, for you to call. Okay, love it. Johnson, he send you he's sending a love image. Okay, that's good. So please, 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 guys, let's keep on making this program to be a wonderful and interesting one. Okay, invite your friends to join us same time on Sunday, because something your friend might contribute to us might help someone's life, because this program, I believe that someone out there needs to hear about this program, because I know that it will really help someone. So, bros, Sobobo Elvis, Marcus said, I love you all. We love you too. Thank you very much. We love you. We love your contribution. We love everything you just did about the program. Thank you so much for contributing. Thank you for adding up your friends into the program. Thank you. You're welcome. All the house are saying we love you too. On behalf of all the people in this program that love this program, we all say we love you too. Bye. Good night. Sleep tight. Wow, much love is still coming in. People are still sending their much love. Like, okay, um, Mandela. Oh, wait, I beg, Mandela. Oh, wait, na me you carry for my call this program. This now anyway, Sha, everywhere good. Now part of the program, Sha, we move on. He said, presenter, try by antenna. Okay, try buy antenna for next Sunday program. I beg, make this program still finish. Make this, I beg, make the program still finish. Pepper soup water just the enter the network eye. My brother, I tell you, the devil, I go say na devil handwork. You know what me will do this program. I be, I make everything. I make the pepper soup water just the enter the network eye. I bet no verse. I will try to buy antenna even now. I will be like saying DSTV now. I will go buy. But all still remain the same. I really appreciate your comment. You are really doing a wonderful job. Keep inviting your friends. Then Miss Grace said, good night. Stay blessed. Wow. wow, wow, wow. So interesting. So lovely. He said, stay blessed. You can boot, you understand? So we go on with the program. As you can see, invite your friends, keep sharing it, because someone else might love to see this. Petro, Peleto, I don't understand the name. Please, I have to say something, please. In case or if I mistakenly pronounce your name, please don't pick offense with me. Don't feel bad, please. Because sometimes there are some names that you see, you won't even know how to pronounce it, but I'm just trying my possible best to see if I can be able to pronounce some, okay? In case if I mispronounce your name, please don't feel bad. That's the little way I can be able to, do it in my own little way. So let me go back to what Peleto said. I guess I'm right with the name Peleto. He said, guys, he said, girls cheat when their guys don't perform well on bed. One, okay, that one join. When they don't love their guys, but men cheat mostly. Let's see who is on cam. Let me quickly assess that. Who is calling? Please identify. I have 3 names here. Selena Gianfranco, Miss Grace, and S.A. Anderson. Please, if you are the one calling, let me know so I can be able to accept you, please. He said, let me go back to the question. He said, please, okay, Petro said, girls cheat when their guys don't perform well on bed. That's one. When they don't love their guys, but men But men cheat mostly when they focus their mind on the hips of gears and their upper body. Oh my God. Especially when they look and think about how they will enjoy it. Man, this guy. Well, sha, I don't know. It's part of experience. Maybe, yes, because you're talking out of experience. Maybe, I don't know. I don't really know. But what you just said is just you just said the truth because you are another guy that's you said quite something different from what other people have been saying. Yes, I agree with you that that's somehow true. That's truth, not somehow truth. Because let me emphasize much on this thing that this guy just said now. Some guys out there, any girl walk across them, they have already used their eye to naked the gear. They have used their own eyes and remove all the whole clothes that the girl is putting on her body. And their memories and their brain will just be wiped off. They will be thinking on how I wish I have this girl on my bed. See this style, I go do monkey style, I go do banana style, I go do. Why all this? Why can't you take that same memory back to your own girl that you're dating, or back to your own wife that you kept at home, that you're married to? That same eye that you used to undress someone's girl out there on road, why can't you take that same eyes and undress your own wife when you get home and do whatever thing you want to do? She's your wife. You don't have to pretend. You don't have as in, you don't have to, to be shy, or as in, I don't know how to pray for you guys to understand what I'm trying to say. But what this guy just said now is the guy just said the truth. Because they'll be imagining, I wish if you see this guy, nyash, see breast, see everywhere. But at the end of the day, you see yourself, you'll be complaining that another man is cheating on you with your own girlfriend, while you already undress someone's girlfriend with your own eyes. Can you just imagine that? I have another caller in the building. Let me know, please. If you are the one calling, please let me know, because I have a lot of problem with network tonight. Please, people that are calling, you should bear with me. Just write your name. Tell me that you're calling. Let me see what I can do. Ese Anderson. Hello, are you with us?
Yeah, good evening, bros.
Hello. Yeah, good evening, my
Hello, good
brother. I
evening,
greet
bro.
you. Please, can you turn on your lights and
I,
tell us where you're calling from so people can also benefit from your contribution, please, sir?
no, Baba, don't let. My family they sleep.
Okay, no problem. You're welcome, sir. So, where are you calling from, sir?
I'm calling from Germany.
Okay, all the way from Germany. You can hear Ese Anders is calling all the way from Germany. So, let's hear your own contribution, sir.
It's like the connection they bad,
Hello.
okay. I said it's like the connection they bad, okay.
Yeah, I have because my subscription got finished on Sunday program, so I don't have the opportunity to subscribe again until on Friday. So I just managed to snuggle my way out just to get this internet I'm using, because I don't want to fail my listeners. Understand? So, but I'm promising on Sunday
Okay,
it's going to be a very good connection. So let's just manage it this night.
okay. No problem. Everywhere good. So
Okay.
I just dey click your this thing, so your live video, so they see wetin you dey try talk. So
Okay.
wetin I don hear be say you say why people always cheat about when they are into
Yeah, why
marriage or
people cheat in relationship and in marriage?
marriage. But for the marriage of a thing,
Yeah.
because I will not say anything about cheating, maybe when you are dating or something, because that one always occur. So I will always go to
Okay.
point of maybe you are married, you say maybe you still have to cheat
Okay.
outside. Are you hearing me?
Okay. Yeah, I'm hearing you. Yeah, everybody's hearing you because you're
Okay.
live.
So I believe maybe when you are married, maybe you still have a little cheating or something. I believe that is character. You understand? You
Yes.
you can you cannot be married and still be cheating around all those kind of things or
Uh,
something. That one is it's just like how the thing use am a parable that time they say small pikin wey go dey cook am for inside pot dey eat meat.
uh, I don't know. Hello, I'm hearing you. Hello? Hello? Program tonight. Hello? Oh, we lost the caller. We lost the caller all the way from Germany. Please, I'm still begging. Please, you guys should bear with me. You know, this thing didn't happen last Sunday when we had the other program. Please, it's just happening today for the first time. Please, I'm so sorry because I've just explained to you guys the reason why it's happening this way. Let me see if I can be able to bring him back to the camp, but he's no more online. That's the point. Please, I'm still begging. It's not going to happen on Sunday. Please, it's not going to happen on Sunday. Please do bear with me. Forgive me if I have just ruled everything tonight because of internet. Because in my apartment, in my house, I don't have internet in my house for now. I do buy my subscription just to make sure that this program always hold. That's why I'm doing all this. Please, very soon I know very soon I know I'll have internet in my apartment. But for the meantime that I don't have the internet in my apartment, we'll be doing it. I'll be buying the subscription just to make sure that this program doesn't end up this way. And please, I need you guys to support me just to make sure that this program doesn't end up this way. Understand? Even if it take me to take my, even if it cost me anything, all the help I need from you guys, just for you to share this program and invite your friends to join us in this program as well, just to make this program to go more viral, because I know that this program is going to help a lot of people out there. And as I'm not just only us listening to it, invite your friends as well, share this program, just make people to know that there's something that's really doing in this program that will help everybody. Even not, it's not just only me. That's why I titled this program, Let's Educate Each Other. Nobody knows it all, okay? The line is still free. You understand? The line is still free. You can still call me, and as long as I get the signal, I will bring you up to the cam, okay? Please, let's keep this program alive by sharing it and inviting friends, please. Like we just lost a caller from Germany. Bad network I'm having today. That's why we couldn't hear what he was trying to explain. But I promise, definitely on Sunday program, I promise it's not going to be the same way. It will take a better shape. Both the network, everything will be functioning fine. But for today, anyhow we see, we manage it anyhow we see it, just to make sure that the program doesn't end, doesn't stop. Okay, keep sharing the program, keep inviting your friends. Let's make this program a permanent one, okay, so that you can be able to educate one another. Nobody knows it all. You understand? You can teach me and I can teach you what I don't know. Like I've learned a lot of things through this program this night, because there's a lot of things that some girls said through this program that I've never heard before. I was opportune to hear them tonight. So that's why I'm also believing that you're also opportune to hear such a thing tonight, because I know some of you may have not heard of such a thing before. But with this kind of program, you'll be able to hear so many things. You understand? So just keep on subscribing, just keep on following the program, keep on sharing, keep on inviting your friends, so that everything will be going as it should be. It should be. People cheat in relationship and in marriage. If you think there's something you have to say different from what people have been saying, you are free to call in to the program. Just because of network problem, because of issue I'm having with network, you can just tell me that you are calling, then I will be able to check your name at the list. Then I'll quickly accept you and bring you to the camera. Then you can say what you think that is the point, so people can also learn from you. Okay. Anna contributor said smart O ranking Amma said Amma. Well, I don't know, but don't be offended if I didn't pronounce your name well. Like I said before, there are some names that I'm not good in pronouncing some names. So the one I can be able to pronounce, please do bear with me. Okay, this one comes from Smart O ranking. He said, nice one. Okay, thank you, boss. Thank you very much for your participation. Someone is calling. Please tell me you are the one that is calling, because I only see the signal. I will not see the name. But if you can be able to write me that you are the one calling, let me quickly check your name. If I can be able to see it, then I will add you up. Then you can come to the cam and say your own contribution. And please do join me on Sunday. On Sunday at normal time, 9 o'clock p.m. We have another wonderful topic we'll be discussing. Let's educate each other. Let's educate each other, please. That's the title of the program. Let's educate each other. You can call in or you can send in your own contribution. I will read it out. Okay? So please don't fail to join us on Sunday for another wonderful topic that will benefit everybody. Not just only me, but entire everybody as a whole. Okay, Joe Praise is back again. It's Praise is back again. Say good night. I have learned something on today's program. Thank you for educating us on this topic. You're welcome, my brother. Thank you also for listening, because I myself I also learned a lot of things through this program, because people do complain they cheat on me, but without really knowing the reason and the purpose why they are cheating on them. So that's why I come up with this topic and said, okay, let us learn about this topic and know why people are cheating on each other. Okay, so let's see your own contribution. At least someone have commented, said he learned something this night through this program. At least this program is an eye-opener program that can make you to understand some certain things that you don't know before. So please, if you enjoy this program, please keep sharing it, keep inviting your friends. Let's make this program a permanent one, and let's also keep it happening. Promzi Wizi said,